welcome back to another hair video. Thank you to Nadula Hair. Alright guys, this is the 7x5 invisible knot. Comes with a adjustable band. There's a comb. I love all wigs with a comb at the back for sure. Already pre-plucked, pre-cut, and the knots is also bleach. So we like this. This is easy slip on, ready wear and go wig. Look at that knots. We're gonna I'm gonna actually wash the end of the hair so it forms a better curl. I love the curl pattern though, it's water wave, but we're gonna go in, kind of wash it for, you know, just because it's just a preference. You can go ahead after installing and wet the wig, that's perfectly fine, but I will be adding some shampoo and water to this. So let's go and then do install. Alright guys, welcome back. Well, we're gonna install the wig. I already did my makeup, so this is a really simple wig to install, so it's not gonna take no time, right? That's what I thought. Oh, Nadula. This is the wig with the adjustable band. I showed you guys this already. It do have a comb at the back. Absolutely love when the wigs have a comb at the back because my wigs won't move. If I try to put it in a ponytail, once it's stuck under there, you're not going to see anything. So it gives that illusion. Now, you can pull the wig tighter if you want. And that's something right there. And then we have the tape, not the tape, but the sticky part so it can be done on your head. We're going to install this. I did went in and wash my unit. Why? Because I feel like, you know what? It's just more softer when I wash it. It's just a preference. So we're going to install this right now. It's already in a center part. So we're going to see how we like it. I'm not, oh my Lord, this feels like it's going to be snug. What? Are you kidding me, Nadula? Okay. It's like I'm done, you know, but I'm not gonna be done because I want to put some style to this. Do you guys think I should leave it like this or should I make it into a side part? I don't know, but the curls are given today. Like, the curl is curling. Yes. You can pull the wig tighter if you wish. I do it have the adjustable band. So I'm going to pull it a little tighter. So it's completely snug. It's not going anywhere type of snug. Maybe take a couple sleep days and I'll miss back. I don't even know what these are looking like inside of your blood. These are decorated. These things didn't want to slide it. I can't even lie anymore. Yeah. She told me that's gonna see me for us. Gonna see me for us. Don't ever come to me. Don't ever come to me. Yeah. All she hit me with is Alright, I think that's it for this wig. Real simple. Nadula, you did it again. This is a quick install, really easy, really simple. The wig is wigging, okay? I went ahead and I sprayed it, add some mousse just to kind of define the curls a little bit more, and then I use a dryer to dry it. So I love this. This is how we're gonna rock it for the rest of the day. If you feel the need to bring it over, it's a closure wig. Don't worry, it's not going anywhere. I did went ahead and use the Gots to Be spray just to kind of make it be intact, because I'm not gonna slip this off tonight, okay? This is giving you can go somewhere type of vibe. If I feel like I want to pin it up, I can do that. I also went ahead and I did cut down right here, and so it's looking like this. So say I want to pin it up, I can do that. Alright guys, this is the final look. I want to thank Nadula Hair once more for providing this beautiful wig. I love the install. It was super easy. This is a 7x5 lace wig, 180 density, water weaving 24 inches. Absolutely beautiful. You guys can check the description. Everything will be in the description below. Look at that. Look at those curls. Juicy. So please check the description. Everything will be there. I thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you again to Nadula Hair. Bye.